everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean trash folder on Google Drive. Let's get started. First, open your Google Drive, and then in here you just click on three lines icon at the top. Click on it and click on the trash. In here you can see a file on the trash. If you wanna delete the trash, you can click three dots in here and then click delete forever and click delete forever. And then if in here is a many file, you can click on in here at three dots in here and click empty trash. Click delete forever. Okay, finish. So that how to clean trash folder on Google Drive. And if you don't clean Google trash, if you don't clean trash folder on Google Drive, the move item you don't need to trash item in trash will be deleted forever after 30 days. And so that's how to clean trash folder on Google Drive. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.